an issue with. Okay, no worries. Done. Do you see my screen now? Yeah, you do. Okay, perfect.
Mm.
All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna go here. Okay. And then we go to blog post. Okay, so blog post is okay. There's no problem there. That I remember, I gotta check. But here, when we create like this,
Mm-hmm.
this section here,
Okay.
we need to make this here, these photos, we need to make it bigger, right? So that's one, I think, which is probably relatively easy. I try to look at the code to see if I can do it, but I wasn't able to do that. So these need to be a little bit bigger. So let me just go to this example here I sent to you.
Mm-hmm.
The ink. Um, so if you notice, just so you can have an idea as to what I want. So if you notice, like when you click on editorial, like you see how the photos are here. Like you
Mm-hmm.
have education, you have profile, and then you have, tutorials, right?
Yeah.
When you click on tutorial, it groups all of the blogs that are under tutorial, which I know how to do, which is great, right?
Yeah.
So do you see the size of this photo? I want it to be exactly like the size of the photo, which is what I think I sent in the email. So if we go to the email, I this one? No, I think I sent another email the other day, no? Where's the other email? Okay, anyhow. So I want it to be, this size. It's too cropped. You see how that is? It's just too cropped, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I also want like the blog series or title. I also want it to move to the left here.
Mm-hmm.
And I also want where if there's multiple, like where it says see all styling, I want that to go over to the upper right.
Okay.
So you see how it's done like this?
Mm-hmm.
Um, and then there's something else. Okay, so this um how can I change this font? Where is this font? I try to go and look at the codes under the blog navigation, but I couldn't see where specifically this particular font is in the I know this. I was able to change the width of the hover menu,
Mm-hmm.
but this is not the same font. You see here it's different. And when you go into mobile, it's also there as well. So we need to change that so to make it consistent.
Okay. I'll have to check this where it's coming from.
Yeah, I think the last time we mentioned checking it, but we just play around with the custom page and we made some change. I have attached the layout. But the
Mm-hmm.
changes here is the link. There was something else that I wanted us to do. Oh, the grouping. So when we go and we see all of this, I created a page. This is that's not it. Hold on. Um, page. Hold on, page. So I created a page,
Mm-hmm.
which I figured out. So all of my styling
Mm-hmm.
will be under, you see how I have this page here?
Mm-hmm.
So this also needs to look like you know, like this. So we need to also do the same thing on the page as well.
Okay.
So I don't know. I have a styling page and I just created one page. Yeah, it was just one page I made for that. So this way I can put all, see how I did here? I put all the blog under that particular group here. So this needs to also be modified. So the page,
Mm-hmm.
as well as the custom, go back here, as well as this here needs to kind of be the, but I guess if you, yeah, I made some changes. 1 second, let me just read my notes. I think I made some other notes, so I just want to make sure I don't forget. Website. Um, I know you have to do you need to finish up the message, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the funny thing is I try to do something like that because Tiffany and Co,
Mm-hmm.
you can stop this. I try to go to Tiffany and Co so I can see like what they send,
Mm-hmm.
but theirs are not even working. Like it doesn't even send an email address. I even try to do it on this website here. It
Mm-hmm.
doesn't even send you an email address. It doesn't even send you the info. So I'm like, why? Like this company here, when I did it, look, I'll show you what there
Mm-hmm.
was a message here. I was like,
But ours is
super.
working. But ours is working.
Yeah, yeah, I know, but I was just cause I saw I did a test myself.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to see the message, like what's the format that they anyhow, you see?
Okay, the object error. Check
You
this.
don't have to check them. Yeah, it's
No,
fine.
no,
It's
no, no,
okay.
no,
But
no.
I was just
I'm not checking them, but I'm just checking what email should be sent. So Tiffany and Co, right? It should
yeah.
be under
Like I
J.
wanted to see like what you receive, like what when you send the message, what do the customer, just so we can kind of like take an example from them. That's what I wanted to do, but um I sent an email to you about this. Hold on 1 second. Um, my brain, where did I put my notes? I only sent it that. Oh, there, I have it. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. Change a font in the nav bar for category. Okay, hold on. You may want to record again, just in case. So change this. Block title needs to be aligned to the left, and the view all needs to be aligned to the right.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. Display the last 3 posts on the desktop. So yeah, so you're doing that right now. The latest 3 posts.
Mhm.
In mobile, display only the latest one. So when it goes into mobile view, let's
Mhm.
say the customer comes, um, we should probably just display the latest of each category. So if I have, you know, 4 categories, we just need to display the newest one, basically, in mobile view.
Mhm.
um Dimension for images, so this image here, like when you do the images, it needs to be 90 times 170. That's the dimension that this I would like this main image to be.
Okay.
Yeah, those are all of the, it's pretty simple. I
Mhm.
mean, I feel as though like can we not change like this now, like where, like this part. I mean, I know you need to move the header to the left, Right, but I
Yeah.
was wondering if I go to the codes, can I just change the photos to be that size? Like, where would I
No,
see that in the codes?
no,
No?
no, 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 no.
Mm, yeah, okay, so I can't do it. So, because I thought I was like, maybe I can do it under there, but all right. So they're pretty easy. I just need it to be done because I want to launch this blog page
Hmm.
next week, Monday.
Okay.
So if we could do that, that'd be great. And then we'll work on the drop a hint so I can get you what we need to so the customer can you know do that. And then I also need, did you finish the wish list for your other client?
Wish list? No, it's not
Yeah.
yet complete. It's not yet complete. But yeah,
Okay.
it will be complete in around a week time.
Okay. Okay. But no rush for
Okay.
that. I just need this to be done because I need to send it out to like my, my newsletter and stuff like that.
Hmm.
Let me see what else she did here. Oh, and a little description to come as well, because right now you see here it only shows how to curate the perfect stack. Let me see if I can, but it
Hmm.
doesn't give you the description. Where would the description come from though? Let me see, hold on. Oh, it will come from the body, right? So if I go back over here, sorry, blog post, and if I put description in here, I wish I could put alarm line here. And I do save, and I go to pages, and I go to spine, and I go here.
Yeah.
Ah, it does come. Okay, perfect. So you don't have to. But what I hate that text. Like, come on, it's so ugly. Um, all right, I'll figure that out. I can change it. I think it's a default font. Okay, so it's really not that hard, I think.
Hmm.
I think you can change it. Just let me know when it's done so I can test it and I can go from there.
Okay.
All right, is it late?
No, no,
Over.
it's a non-working day for us. So
It's a
it's
holy holiday.
no, no, it's not holy holiday, but it's a kind of a religious holiday, I would say.
Oh, religious and holy is the same.
No, no, no. Holy is something.
No?
Uh, uh, Holy is already gone. So Holy festival
Uh,
was
what's holy? What's a holy holiday?
it's kind of a festival which is celebrated in India in terms of putting colors to each other, and it
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I saw that. Yeah, I saw that in earlier in the month. I saw, yeah. Oh, yes, I saw that. Yeah, yeah.
so yeah,
I got it. Okay.
that's holy.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay, 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 yeah. All
Okay,
right. Okay, well, thanks for getting on the call with me, and hopefully we can fix this pretty soon, or you can fix this pretty soon for me.
sure.
Okay. All right, and thank
All right,
you.
thank you.